Here's a look at the E-mini S&P through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader for Wednesday, November the 4th, 2009. We always like to start off with our market profiles. This is today's market profile. We were suggesting that the 50 area, it was a barrier, and you can see here that overnight session the market did rally up and test it, opened just in that area, and then had a move higher. It stayed above that area until the FOMC news was released. It came down, made a new low, went up, made a new high, came down, made a new low. So very volatile session after the news was released. And there was really nothing new in the announcement other than interest rates remain the same and likelihood that they will stay like that for an extended period of time. So it's really a mixed response by the market and appears to be really a market in flux here right now, tightly spaced. We think from 43 to 49, and if it can hold above 49.50 area, then it's likely to head on back up and quite possibly test the highs that were formed today. If it can hold below 43, it's probably got another 10 points down. What we're looking at right here are the profiles. This was just the regular trading hours for each day, so Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of this week. So I tend to think the market's got more pressure on it down than wanting to go up right now. But like I say, I think if it can get back above the 52 area or so, then it's likely to have a bit of a bounce. And certainly don't think that this is a powerful kind of move or anything like that. But looking at the area from around 52, I would say 52. If it can get above 52, it'll probably test today's high. If it can get below 43, it's probably going to drop 10 points. So it's kind of caught between right now around 43, 43 and really 52, not 43 and 49, more like 43 to 52, I would say, is more of a immediate support and resistance. We were not active today after the news. We did not have one trade after the news. We only had two trades early in the day, and they were both break even. We got long in here. It kind of went sideways, then went up, and then we had one other trade that did a similar thing, got long once again in here. 10 minutes it was break even. Right after that it did rally in our direction, but that was it for today. So it was just a very quiet day for us, and no trades at all after the news was released. You can see here the market came down, initially made that new low, went up and made a new high, and then came back down and made new lows. So generally speaking, kind of volatile activity like this suggests that the market is either topping out or bottoming out, and I would venture to say it's more likely it's topping out. However, if it can't get below 43 fairly quickly, i.e. overnight or tomorrow, then it's probably going to have a bounce, because that 43 is a pretty good support area. At any rate, that's how we're looking at the market at this point in time. Any questions or comments, send us an email, info@eMiniDayTrader.com, and we'd love to hear your comments or questions. So send them on over and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Otherwise, thanks for taking the time to view this video, and we will get back to you. See you tomorrow.